Hey guys, how all doing today, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Makeup Mummy family. And guys, if you are new to my channel, it'll be awesome if you can hit that subscribe button and join me here at Makeup Mummy. And if you do, remember and hit that bell, as that will notify you every time I upload, which is Fridays and Sundays. So guys, today we're doing a little tutorial and we are creating the look I have on my eyes here today. So as you can see, it is a very sunset, tropical inspired look. So you can imagine the palette that I am going to be using. I have said I wanted to do tutorials using these new collaborations with Revolution. So here we have it today. I am using Tammi's Tropical Paradise palette to create this tropical sunset look. So if you guys, it's getting awfully dark in here, that's because the sun's hidden behind the cloud. Darn it. But anyway guys, if you want to see how we created this look, then just keep on watching. Okay lovelies, here it is, Tammi X Revolution Tropical Paradise palette. Isn't it stunning? So I'm taking a fluffy brush from MSQ and we're going in with coconut cream, and we're basically just coating the lid, taking it up to the brow bone, making sure that there's a base and everything is locked dim. So I think I want some warmth now, so I'm going to go in with Tropical, which is this beautiful orange shade, and taking it on the same brush, we're going to start on the outer corner, and we're packing it on first and then using those circular motions to bring it in through the crease. Okay, same thing on the other eye guys, packing it on from the outer corner, circular motions, working it throughout the crease. This is just a beautiful shade, stunning. Blending brush. Okay, so now I have it, I'm going to just take that over the edges, making sure everything is diffused and seamless. So I think I want a little bit more on this side, so just going back in with Tropical and just building up that intensity. Just take your time and just getting it to that level that you want. And then what we're going to do is blend. And again guys, just take your time blending, there's no rush. Okay, loving that. So now we're going to take a smaller MSQ brush and we're going to go in with Coraline, which is this beautiful purple shade, and I'm going to take that, packing it on the outer corner. Now I'm only bringing this shade in quarter of the way onto the lid, and also you just want to gently buff as you're applying. Same thing on the other eye guys, just gently buff that in and only come in quarter of the way. Okay, so I want this shade in the inner corners also, so I'm taking a small chubby brush from MSQ and we're going to go in with Coraline and we're just applying that from the inner corner, bringing it again quarter of the way into the lid. Okay guys, taking our blending brush, we're just going to go over those colours to make sure that everything is looking diffused, seamless, and they're working well together. Okay, great. So now I'm going to go in again with a fluffy brush and we're going to take Majestic. And we're going from the outer corner, again over Coraline, and probably bringing it in halfway, just further than you did Coraline. Same thing on the other eye guys, just taking it from the outer corner, working your way halfway over the lid. Small chubby pencil brush and we're going in again from the inner corner and again bringing it further out than Coraline. You kind of want the two to start meeting together now. Okay, so I'm taking my blending brush and again, same thing, blending all those colours together, making sure everything is looking cohesive. Okay guys, now I'm going back in with that fluffy brush and we're going in with Tropical and we're just taking that over the very edges just to make sure everything is looking diffused. Okay, fantastic. So now I think I want to do a halo or spotlight. So we're going to use a small flat brush and we're going to go in with Golden Sands. But first, I'm going to use concealer. So I'm using the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C1 and taking a little on the brush, and we're just going to carve out where we want to put golden sands. So I'm creating, like I said, a halo spotlight effect, and guys, take your time with this. Again, there's no rush. You want to get this looking reasonably centered. Same thing on the other eye, guys, just take your time, a little on the brush. Again, you want to just make sure everything's looking cool. Cool? Where did that come from? You know what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to be taking another fluffy brush, and we're going to go in with coconut cream and just sort of set that in place. Make sure it doesn't go anywhere. Lovely, lovely. So I want to take a flat edged brush, and I'm going to go in with golden sands. As you can see, beautiful shade, and we're just going to start applying that. But for me, I find this shade applies far better with your finger. Oh god, sorry guys, I did not mean to be giving you the finger, but as you can see, that colour is stunning. So basically all you're doing is coating precisely where you put the concealer. Anywhere you put concealer, you put golden sands there. Or of course any other colour of your choosing. So I'm going to take the flat edge brush, and I'm just going to make sure I'm getting all the edges, make sure everything is coated nicely. Looking good. So now what I want to do is I'm going to go back in with Tropical, and I'm going to use a small chubby pencil brush for this. And we're going to take Tropical and place that on the edges of Golden Sands. So basically where you want Golden Sands and Majestic to meet, you want that Tropical placed. And what that's going to do for you is create that sunset effect, and also it's going to make sure all the edges are looking diffused, working well, gelled together nicely. And you want to take the blending brush and obviously just buff those colours together. That's all you're doing, guys. You don't want to be too harsh doing this, you don't want too much Tropical, you just want to buff it on gently. I'm liking this a lot. Sorry guys, I had to save the day there. My little girl was trying to get in and my hubby rescued the day. So again, just using our buffing brush, and we're just making sure everything is looking blended. And that is that. I am now going to apply my makeup. Okay, so now my face is on. I'm taking a small pencil brush from Morphe, and we're going to go in with Tropical, just a little bit, nothing major, and we're just going to lay that down first. Then we're taking a small fluffy brush, and we're just going to smoke that out. I don't want under the lash line to be too warm. So now we're going to put Waterfall under the lash line, which is a beautiful, beautiful blue. I've used this before and it's stunning. So on that Morphe pencil brush, we're just going to take that right along the lash line. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful shade. Okay, and then taking that small fluffy brush again, going over and smoking everything out. You don't want under the lash line to be too harsh. Keep your pencil up, keep your pencil brush upright, though that'll make sure that the eyeshadows are not coming too far down. As you can see, I had to have a nosy from a different angle. Everything's looking good, I'm liking it. Excellent, yep. So now I'm going to use the multi-bright liners from Iheartrevolution. Now, the choice of shades. I'm going to go with green actually. I just think green goes in with this tropical theme. You know, you've got the blue for the ocean, you've got your yellows and golds for the sunset, so why not put a little green in there to help that ocean vibe. Looking good, looking good. So now what I'm going to do is mascara. Okay, so now I have my mascara on. I'm going in with Pina Colada, and we're just going to pop that in the inner corner right there. Again, this is another beautiful shade, and we're going to pop a little of that under the brow bone also. And we're done. And we're done, guys. We are done. So today, as you can see, we went for sunsetty eyes using the Tropical palette from Tammi X-Revolution. This palette is absolutely stunning, guys. It's absolutely stunning. You're getting 23 shades. I think, if I remember correctly, 11 or 12 of them are matte and the rest are shimmer. I will link everything in the description box below, and I did do a video on this palette discussing it, so again I'll link that in the description box below also, so you guys can have a look and get a feel for the palette. I just love the vibes you get from this. I mean, the eye that we've created today is very, very sunsetty. You know, it just looks like you're on holiday, you're looking out into the horizon and the sun is setting and you've got all those purpley and oranges and yellow. And then you've got the blue for the sea. And I added a little green in my waterline as well. Just, you know, that bluey green ocean. Just, I love what we've created here today, guys. And it's very, very simple. You know, it's just a few colours. They're easy to blend and I feel they're pigmented, you know, and the shimmers are absolutely beautiful. I do find, just personally, with using these a few times, I have noticed that my finger tends to be the best for applying the shimmers. Also wetting the brush. They do apply beautifully dry, but I just feel I get more pigmentation, more pop if I'm using my finger or my brush is wet. That waterfall, which is the blue I have underneath the waterline, is absolutely stunning, guys. I am in love with that shade. Pina Colada, which is the inner corner highlight, another stunning, stunning colour. And Tropical, guys, which is that orangey colour we use. Again, guys, this palette, it's just, oh, Purpy Purps. Another amazing purple. I absolutely love it. So that is my little tutorial, guys, for you. I really hope that you have enjoyed it and I hope it gives you some inspiration for creating your own looks with this palette. If you do have this palette, let me know what your thoughts are on it, or if you've tried some looks, let me know. But yeah, I've got many other tutorials coming for you guys. I want to use sort of the Tammi palette. I wanted to use the Carmi. I've got a tutorial coming up with the Masinska Beauty Legacy palette. Oh, we've got it all going on, guys. But that is it from today. As you can see, a beautiful, beautiful look created. Some of the other products, again, I'll list everything in the description box below. But guys, this Bronze Me Up Primark bronzer, I nearly couldn't get out there, is absolutely amazing. This is in Sunrise. I think I'm going to pick up the other one and just see what the tone is like on the other one. I actually used here today for the very first time from NYX. This is their cream contour trio. I'm going to make a video just explaining that. But yeah, everything has turned out nice and dewy. Just a real summertime look. So guys, I'm going to stop rambling and I'm going to let you guys go. If you have liked this tutorial, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, it would be completely awesome if you could join me here at Makeup Mummy. You know, come and join my family where we discuss products. You know, I am an affordable girl. I do have the occasional high-end product placed here and there, but generally speaking, I am that drugstore queen. Affordability is my game. Also, guys, another huge point to remember is, obviously I have said this in previous videos, that YouTube have changed how they work, how they operate again, which is a little frustrating, especially a small YouTuber like me who's trying to climb the ladder. But hit that bell, guys, hit the notification bell, and that will let my videos land in your subscription boxes. Because even if I upload, for instance, on Friday I upload, that's not necessarily the video that you guys are going to get to see. YouTube are picking the videos that they think that you want to see. So remember, guys, the way to get around that is like my videos, you know, give them a like. It helps me out a ton. And also hit that bell, as that will make sure my videos head into your subscription boxes and you're going to get to see them. So guys, wherever you're in the world, I hope you're having a good one, whether it be day or night. Remember and stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Love you. Bye.